Think your passwords are safe? Think again, because Google's popular password manager might not be as bulletproof as you think. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech updates. Let's face it, most of us reuse the same handful of passwords because creating strong, unique ones for every site is exhausting. Google knows this, which is why Chrome's built-in password manager is free, easy, and insanely convenient. One click and it generates a strong password, stores it, and autofills next time. No app download necessary, just smooth security, or is it not? On the surface, Google's password manager is safe. It uses encryption and supports two-factor authentication, keeping your data out of casual hackers' hands. But here's the catch, it doesn't offer zero-knowledge encryption. That means Google technically holds the keys and your passwords could be at risk if malware hits your device or a massive breach occurs. Remember the Gmail security breach in late 2025? Yeah, if Google's account data ever leaked, all that stored password info could be exposed. But this isn't unique for Google. Anytime you trust it, you're trusting someone else with your data. And for those handling sensitive information, relying solely on Google can be risky. You're also locked into their ecosystem, which is fine if you live in Google land, but not if you juggle Apple devices or multiple platforms. The best alternatives are dedicated password managers like NordPass or Bitwarden, who offer stronger security, true zero-knowledge encryption, cross-device support, phishing alerts, and even dark web monitoring, all without a subscription fee. In short, convenience may be tempting, but if privacy matters, then Google's password manager may not cut it. Your passwords deserve better? For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.